get into our Run Wild palette. I'm so excited to be using this. I ordered this right after they launched it. It's 18 color shadow highlight and blush palette. So of course you guys are gonna see swatches of everything. So we have Daydream, Flaunt It, Crush, and Cocoa. This is obviously pretty light. If you're, even for my complexion, I think this is light. I'm going to see what it looks like contouring, but it is very, very light. And it's kind of a little more powdery than I like. I just like something a little more deeper, and I don't know. These two look a little powdery, but I don't know. This one kind of looks like it'll be okay, but I might mix these two to see for blush. Of course, you have your mirror, and then the shadows. You have your highlighters here and the colors. I'm trying to figure out what look I'm going to do because it's mainly colors. You literally have one brown. Dusk I think is going to be a good transition color, and then you have like a golden color. So I'm just gonna go with it. I'm gonna start working. I love this yellow. You guys know I love a nice yellow, so we're just gonna start going and see what we create. All BH Cosmetics brushes for this look, as well as BH Cosmetic lashes, and I'm going to be using the D303 lashes. All right, let's go. Stop for a second. Oh my gosh, this color Dusk is so pigmented. I was like, this will be a great transition color. As you blend it out, it does start to lighten, which is nice for transition, but it's like more on the orangey side. It is so pigmented and so pretty. It is a little hard to blend out for some reason. I don't know if it's just the base. I did use the Fit Me concealer as my primer, or if it's the brush. I don't know, but I've never had any problems with the brushes, so I'm thinking it might be the concealer with this, but I just had to stop because I'm like, this is pigmented. Okay, we're gonna carry the finished look. Thoughts on this. So first off, the eyelashes I'm not a fan of at all. This is my second time trying BH Cosmetics lashes, and the first time I tried them they were okay. I ended up using my glue, but the eyelashes actually come with this little glue. First off, I never use black glue. I always use white glue, and I see why I don't like black glue. It's messy, as you see here, and literally this is just not working. Like, these lashes aren't really sticking. I feel like they're very thin and like almost just cheap, honestly. So I'll pay a little more coin and get better lashes. I'm not a fan of these, and I just feel like with a bright eye like this, I totally want to have something. I'm gonna try and fix this. I totally want to have some lashes that are like bold and dramatic and stand out. I kind of feel like with this palette, sorry guys, I'm totally trying to fix it. Okay, I feel like with this palette, one, if you, oh my god, this lash just keeps lifting up. It's so annoying. I feel like this isn't a beginner friendly palette. The colors are gorgeous. They're very, very pretty. This red isn't like a bright red. It's more of like a shimmery type red. I feel like the shadows are a little harder to blend. Is this my favorite BH Cosmetics palette? No, it's not. I think one of my favorites would be the It's My Ray Ray and the Desert Oasis. Those are two of my favorites. Again, this is not one of my favorites. One, I'm more of a natural kind of makeup look type of girl, but of course these colors were super bright, so I was like, okay, I gotta figure something out. I don't feel like all these colors even really go together. I don't know, they're pretty, but it's just not me. Like it's not, like I feel like they're so random. Like I wonder if the names, they probably mean something. I didn't even know who Tina Yong was. I seen her once. Again, you guys know I always pick up palettes and then I end up finding out. I feel like the packaging is beautiful. I love how much it comes with, how much you can work with, but it's not something I would have. So I kept wondering like why I wasn't seeing any reviews on this palette. I hadn't seen really any except for I think from Tina Yong herself and probably like the BH Cosmetics crew. I'm gonna go in with Cocoa so that I can just test it out and see how it looks. But yeah, see, it's like non-existent. I would probably have to use this as an eyeshadow color because it's just not there. So I'm gonna get my other BH Cosmetics. It almost looks like dirty and grayish, especially from what I can see here. So I'm gonna get my other BH Cosmetics bronzer and put bronzing with this one, which is the Brilliance Bronzer Cocoa Cutie. I've had this for a while, you guys. As you can see, this is one of my favorite bronzers. Trying to bronze it out, I did what I could because that one looked really like ashy and grayish and kind of dirtyish. So my bronzer, I did what I could on top of that without having to take everything off. So now we're gonna try the blush, you guys. So I'm going to go in with Crush first and see how that looks. Again, the girl who made this is lighter skin tone. See, I feel like this looks kind of powdery as well. She's lighter skin tone, so I feel like obviously if you're lighter skin tone, this will probably work for you, but I'm a black girl, so okay, we're gonna go on with Flaunt It now. They're very, very, very powdery, you guys. This is definitely for lighter skin tone, like hands down, just for lighter skin tone, period. But I feel like it'd be very pretty, you know, if you were, except for this bronzer. I'm sorry, that's just ashy. I don't like it at all. This one kind of gives me a little glow. We're gonna go in with the highlighter now. I'm just not excited because BH Cosmetics are some of my favorite, all-time favorite brand. Like, I love their eyeshadow palettes. I've never had an eyeshadow palette of, look at my eyelashes coming off. Like, I literally feel like this all around was just, I'm not happy with it. Like, I don't feel like it looks terrible, but I'm not happy. So we're gonna go on with the Luna and see how that looks. I'm gonna do Luna first. The blush already gives such a bronzy look. Okay, that's pretty. And then next we're gonna go on with Starlit because I want to see how that one looks. That one's obviously lighter. But that one's pretty too. Oh, shoot. Okay. Wow. That's like literally blinding. So that's cute. I love the highlighter. But it's just the blushes are just okay. I do feel like the eyeshadows are just okay. Of course, I didn't use all of them. But I don't know. They weren't for me. I'm going to put this lighter highlight Starlit in my inner corner to look at that. Wow. That's gorgeous. But I don't feel like, okay, these highlighters I'm going to use. These are bomb. I'll definitely dip into this palette because I'm like literally glowing. Like, these highlighters are literally brighter than some high-end highlighters. These are nice. But as for these lashes, I won't buy BH Cosmetics lashes. I just feel like I'm kind of onto high-end lashes now, and I love that you can just reuse high-end lashes, and I'm not feeling this. I'll never use black glue again. So if you do get BH Cosmetics lashes, don't use the glue in the package. Get something else. I did get a new liquid linen. I have their other ones, which I really like. I think I have Martha, and I have another one. They're nudes, of course. You guys know I love nudes, but we are going to open this. This is in Jordan. This is an orange. I never do oranges, but I thought, you know what? I'm going to try something different, and we're going to see what it looks like. Oh, I'm really going to have to change my lashes. definitely not feeling this color. So I actually ended up really liking that orange color once it like set in. I thought it looked really pretty, and it looked way better off camera than it did on camera. My thing is just, I think it didn't look good because I had such a bright eye look that it just wasn't looking good. So I'm just lining my lips with the Shayla Times ColourPop Lippy pencil in BFF3, and then I'm going to use my other, I don't have any BH Cosmetics liners, so this is all I had, guys. And then I'm just going to go in with another BH Cosmetic Liquid Linen. And these ones are actually some of my favorites because they're nudes. You guys know I love a good nude. So we have Natalie and Martha. They look literally exactly the same. I'm going to do a swatch so you guys can see. They're very similar. When I saw them, I was just like, might as well have them both. They both look pretty. Oh, dang, yeah, they're so similar. This one's just a little bit lighter, and that one's a little more like pinky. So I'm going to put that on. I'm not used to wearing twist at all, you guys. So I'm like, I keep forgetting. Before I made the video, I'm like, oh my god, I don't have my wig on. Like, no, I got twist on. So that looks bright, guys. Calm down, calm down. I'm gonna blend that out. Right, let me see. Like, I feel like this is just not working. Like, this look is not working. It's not sticking on my lips. What the heck is going on, guys? Like, this is just not it. And I have my surgery coming up. I'm getting nervous, guys. But I know God's got me. So, I don't know. It's just, even that, like, that's a nude, but it's just, it's nude. So I'm going to try and add some more of this. Like, what is going on with your girl today? Goodness gracious. I don't even, this is literally terrible. So we're going to have to fix it now because my lips just look like ash powder. Like I just kissed some powdered dough. So I got that fixed. I just put Slow Down by ColourPop Lippy on top. ColourPop is here to save me right now, guys, because I was not feeling that. I'm going to spray with my MAC Fix Plus because I feel super powdery. My eyelash is totally coming off. So this, I don't even know what to say, guys. I'm so sad right now because, again, I love BH Cosmetics, but I definitely would not ever purchase this again. The only thing that I'm really in love with are these two highlighters here. I do feel like this dust color was really pretty, and I love the eyeshadows. I just feel like, oh my god, this eyelash is killing me. I feel like they were very powdery, some of them, so I definitely feel like I would not purchase this again. Again, it's not beginner friendly. Look at that, you guys. I can't even believe that my eyelash is doing this. My eyelashes never do this, so I know it's this lash. This looks crazy, guys. I'm gonna like have to fix this. OMG. But yeah, so it's not beginner friendly, you guys, at all. It's just, it's not a must buy for me. I give this thumbs down. This is a good buy. Again, I love this part of it. This part is like thumbs down for sure. Packaging beautiful. It's an okay palette. I wouldn't repurchase it. I would say save your coin for another palette if you're gonna get BH Cosmetics, because they have some great palettes, you guys. I would get something else, but that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up before this eyelash falls off, you guys. This was a fail. I feel like the look is okay, but it was a hot mess. It was a hot mess. Share this video and give me a big thumbs up. Bye.